Okay babes, welcome back to another video from us. We're doing an unboxing video again. This time we have 4 Love and Lemons in here. Yeah, so it's really exciting. Of course, I don't know what's in it, but let's see. Oh, I was expecting jewelry for some reason. Got a bunch of white tops. Very cute. Oh, there's the jewelry. There we go. Good amount of jewelry. Ooh. Very cute. I love this whole neon trend. It's really awesome. Let's open up this lime, yellow and lime cardigan. It's fuzzy. Oh. Ooh. Oh, it's a cropped. Okay, for some reason I thought it was gonna be way like huge, but this is really cute. It's all furry. It's so soft, so soft. It's cropped, very very cute, and it gives you. This is cute. On the tag they have this little charm. That's really cute. I like that. I don't know. You could like get a chain and like put that on a necklace. It's such a soft knit. Oh my god. I could sleep in this. Oh! Oh, just kidding. It's a set. Okay. But it's like this button-down bra top. I don't know if you can see the buttons. There we go. And then it comes with... Oh! Okay. I get it. So it's this long sleeve top that's about the same. Just the neckline is a lot more cropped. So you wear this over it, I believe. Yeah, you wear the long sleeve over the tank, or you know, if you really want to, you could wear it the other way around. Bow tie pearl hoop earrings. Ooh, very breakfast at Tiffany's, you know what I mean? That is so cute. Ooh, pearl bow camo earrings. We love camo. Ooh, not what I expected when it said camo. Did that really say camo? Oh, cameo. Pearl bow cameo earrings. That's what I meant to say. Oh, very pretty. Well, I guess that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stick around for the next one because we'll be doing one practically every week. Not all unboxing ones. We'll have more styling videos and all these other ones, you know, it'll be great. I'm having so much fun making these videos, and I hope you are having fun watching them. So yeah, be sure to follow us on Instagram and check out our website so you can stay updated. Alright, until next time.